This is Terry Hansen, and I am showing my geometric shapes volume calculator. So I'll go ahead and open it. Even though I just realized I could have just pushed up. That's what I'm going to do. There we go. All right, so there's that. Got my constants in there. And all my different functions. Menu function, well, the main with the menu in it. Well, with the switch in there. Sorry, my brain kind of got faster than itself. But there's the functions. So I really do like using functions, like really learn to appreciate them using Python, and then even more so here in C++, just because it makes it testing so much easier. You just have to, instead of like having to go through the whole program, you can just take a few bit of lines, run it through an IDE or something, and just run it. So that way I can just test that to see if it works. I mean, with some tweaks, of course, but it makes it a lot easier. I also like it because when you're just reading over the code, you can just get a better view of what's going on, like the main core of it, and then just pop around to the different functions. But that's one thing I do appreciate about understanding more about C++ now is the fact that you inherently just start with the main function. Or in Python, you had it. Yeah, it just I'm learning to really appreciate C++ this time around. Anyway, but global constants. So I've got the min choice, min max right here for the returning the choice, which those are really helpful because if I wanted to add 3 more geometric shapes or something onto there, all I have to do is change it up at the top where I declared the variable instead of having to hunt through and fix it down here. So that's nice. But then also really nice is the global constant of pi. So when I've got my cones and my circles and other round shapes, cylinders, I can just use pi right there and I don't have to retype things. I can just type in the variable and it's there amongst all the functions. So it's quite functional. Sorry, I couldn't help it. It was needed to use constant variables in your function. All right, so we'll exit out of that. And then we'll compile it. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and run it a couple times. There we go. So 2, and then 6, 7. Oops. Got ahead of myself. That was the sphere. So it did show right there, accidentally, that I entered in the wrong volume, and it keeps going me to where I want to go. Okay, so we'll go for, there we go, cylinder, and then we'll do the triangular prism. I got its volume, and then we'll do a rectangular prism. Okay, and then we'll do a cone. Right there. Cool. Thank you very much. And then we'll exit. Show that happen. Perfect. Thank you so much.